Belt and rear wheel removal procedure. 1. Use a 16 to 17 mm double-ended spanner and gather all the required tools before starting the procedure. 2. Remove the rear axle rubber cap. Using a 17 mm spanner, loosen the rear axle nut. 3. Using a 10 to 11 mm spanner, loosen the belt tension adjustment nut to release the belt tension. 4. Verify that the belt is sufficiently loose. Rotate the A pulley and carefully remove the belt from the pulley. 5. Once the rear axle nut has been loosened, carefully remove the rear wheel from the bicycle. 6. Finally, using a 5 mm Allen key and a 12 to 13 mm spanner, remove the stay bolt. Slide the belt through the opening and remove it from the frame. Belt and rear wheel installation procedure. Step 1. Verify that the belt number matches the bicycle specification before installation. Step 2. Insert the belt through the belt stay opening. Step 3. Reconnect the belt stay and brake stay, then secure them using the stay bolt. Step 4. Position the rear wheel correctly in the rear dropouts and install the rear wheel assembly. Step 5. Fit the belt onto pulley A and pulley B, ensuring it is properly seated in the pulley grooves. Step 6. Using 10 mm and 11 mm spanners, tighten the belt tension adjuster nuts evenly to achieve the specified belt tension. Step 7. Check the belt tension manually to confirm it is within the recommended range. Next step, check that the rear wheel is centered between the seat post and the brake stay. Step 8. Tighten the rear axle nut securely using a 16 mm or 17 mm spanner to the specified torque. Step 9. Rotate the pedals several times to verify smooth operation. Ensure the freewheel engages correctly, the belt runs smoothly, and the bicycle moves forward without abnormal resistance.